guys, we are going to play a new game called Infinite Flight, where you can carry your passion. You can become a pilot in real life. Stop the camera. I don't think it will work, okay? I don't think we'll become a pilot in real life. We might, okay? Finally loaded in, we have KSFO jet. Kisana. What? 172. Okay, I'm new in this game, okay? I don't really know anything. Boeing 747-400. I have definitely seen this in like 200 YouTube videos. Air India. More like DHL. I've gone in this in real life. I've gone in this plane in real life. Once. Pepsi. So guys, if do you like aircrafts and aeroplanes? I don't know which games you should play. I don't think I can suggest you, but I can suggest you one game in Roblox. PTFS. Yeah, there's some game in Roblox called PTFS. If you don't have enough space to download a new thing, you can download PTF. You can play PTFS on Roblox. You can create an account for absolutely free. You need nothing. Ready to start? So, should we suggest crashing? Okay, no need. We might do it next time, but hey, they have passengers this time. It's Air India. Air India particularly never crashed actually, right? Yeah, actually I don't think Air India ever crashed or killed any passengers. Till date I think so, I don't know. Yeah, there will be a special video coming up 3 days from this video being released. Yes, February 28th, 2024, Tuesday. And yeah, that might be one of the last times I'm going to put the video because I have exams now. And I want to say something, it's final exams. There's no time for jokes. And I'm pretty bored. Do you guys even play Infinite Flight Simulator, or do you see Infinite Flight Simulator? Comment down below, because I most of the time will be watching aeroplane review videos like business class, Spirit Airlines, Alaska, and all those things. But yeah, we're landing right now. Hopefully we do a butter landing. Is it a butter? Oh. Hey, I told you we'll crash this video. I didn't joke, right? Okay, no time for jokes. If we can crash this often, why aren't we dead yet? Shower thoughts that will blow your mind. Like, if we can crash 100 times in Infinite Flight Simulator, how are we still alive in real life if we just drive 2 planes? Oh, yeah. We're turning upside down to kill all the passengers. Sorry, boy. We just kill everybody. We will not stop until we land. And we basically might never land. So if you are wondering how I'm doing all this, am I talented enough to do this in the first time? Actually, I'm not. My friend's doing this. Yeah, he's doing it. He will teach me the game and I'll come to you guys to play it. And yeah, I might even do a puddle landing. Air India. It's written in Hindi there, but if we check the other side, it's written in English, Air India. Let's go. Bye guys. See you tomorrow. Next video.